Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily change the distance unit to kilometre in the Trivago app on your Android phone. If you prefer to see distances in kilometres instead of miles, this quick tutorial will help you do it step by step. First, open the Trivago app on your Android device. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the profile icon. After that, scroll down and find the option labeled Distance Unit. Then tap on it to open the available choices. Finally, select Kilometre from the list. Your app will instantly update to show distances in kilometres. That's all there is to it. Changing the distance unit in Trivago helps you get more familiar and comfortable with the measurements when browsing hotels. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.